20 expressions usuelles pour prendre le train. Où est la billetterie?
Where's the ticket office? Where's the ticket office? Where's the ticket office?
Billet, s'il vous plaît.
Tickets, please. Tickets, please. Tickets, please.
J'ai perdu mon billet.
I've lost my ticket. I've lost my ticket. I've lost my ticket.
À quelle heure est le prochain train pour Paris?
What time's the next train to Paris? What time's the next train to Paris? What time's the next train to Paris?
À quelle heure part le prochain train pour New York?
What time does the next train to New York leave? What time does the next train to New York leave? What time does the next train to New York leave?
De quelle trace part-il?
What track does it leave from? What track does it leave from? What track does it leave from?
De quelle voie part le prochain train pour New York?
What track does the next train to New York leave from? What track does the next train to New York leave from? What track does the next train to New York leave from?
De quelle plateforme part-il?
What platform does it leave from? What platform does it leave from? What platform does it leave from?
De quelle piste ai-je besoin pour New York?
Which track do I need for New York? Which track do I need for New York? Which track do I need for New York?
Combien de temps faut-il pour y arriver?
How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there?
Il faut compter 1h30 pour y arriver.
It takes an hour and a half to get there. It takes an hour and a half to get there. It takes an hour and a half to get there.
Il faut compter 2h30 pour y arriver.
It takes 2.5 hours to get there. It takes 2.5 hours to get there. It takes 2.5 hours to get there.
À quelle fréquence les trains desservent-ils Paris?
How often do trains run to Paris? How often do trains run to Paris? How often do trains run to Paris?
Combien coûte une journée aller-retour à New York?
How much is a day return to New York? How much is a day return to New York? How much is a day return to New York?
Puis-je acheter un billet dans le train?
Can I buy a ticket on the train? Can I buy a ticket on the train? Can I buy a ticket on the train?
Combien coûte une journée aller-retour à Londres?
How much is a day return to London? How much is a day return to London? How much is a day return to London?
Le train est à l'heure.
The train is on time. The train is on time. The train is on time.
Le train est en avance.
The train is early. The train is early. The train is early.
Le train a 10 minutes de retard.
The train is 10 minutes late. The train is 10 minutes late. The train is 10 minutes late.
Veuillez emporter tous vos bagages et effets personnels avec vous.
Please take all your luggage and personal belongings with you. Please take all your luggage and personal belongings with you. Please take all your luggage and personal belongings with you.
C'est ça. Cette vidéo est maintenant terminée. Au fait, je me demande si vous pouvez utiliser l'une de ces expressions dans les commentaires. Faites-moi savoir lequel d'entre eux vous souhaitez utiliser. Merci beaucoup d'avoir appris l'anglais avec moi. Si vous aimez cette vidéo, cliquez sur « J'aime » pour soutenir la chaîne. Je vous dis à bientôt pour une nouvelle leçon sur ma chaîne YouTube. Au revoir.